So right now the phone is hooked up to the car, so I'm going to show you how to disconnect it real quick. You just go to your settings, and then go to connections. And then once you're in here, you're going to want to go to Bluetooth, and you go to whichever phone you don't want to be connected. And then right here, and you can go up here to delete device, or you can just take these off. Don't have anything else on, press apply, and it's actually disabled the phone. So like I said, if you want to delete it completely, you just click on the name and you can delete it completely up there. And yeah, let's go ahead and delete it. And then when it's deleted, it's gone. So I'm going to do another video to show how to connect it. So if you're watching this one first, go to the other video to show how to connect it. So if you found this useful, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to do more videos for the 2019 Honda Odyssey.